Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest board that only you could see. That way you could add your favorite pins without cluttering your Pinterest account. So if you want to learn how to make a secret board, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. So, why do you need a secret board, right? The reason why is because when you create a Pinterest account for your business, you want to only add relevant pins to whatever niche you are in. You do not want to add your favorite puppies or your favorite recipes to your actual account because you want to keep it niche related. Now, there is a way that you could add additional pins to your Pinterest account without cluttering your Pinterest account. And the way you do that is by creating a secret board. So all you will have to do is you will click on create board, and you can name the board whatever you want. So let's say I name this board cities I would like to travel, or let's name it traveling. And I'm going to save anything about traveling on this board. What you want to make sure you do is when you do create the board, you want to click here where it says visibility, and you want to keep this board secret. And then you want to go ahead and create it. Now, this particular board is going to be pushed to the bottom of your feed. So if you go to your actual Pinterest account, these are all your boards right here. And if you go all the way in the bottom, down here are your secret boards. And here is the traveling board. So these are my secret boards that I currently have. I don't have that many. I did have one for my son's christening when I was trying to get ideas for that. I do have one for the keto diet because I'm on the keto diet now. And then I have one for other stuff that personally I didn't want to share in my actual boards. So as you can see, it's going to be pushed on the bottom feed. Now, whatever you pin down here, no one could see these boards or these pins. These are only for your eyes. So this is a way that you can still keep a business account. And if you want to have anything fun on the bottom or anything that you see that's interesting, or maybe you want to pin something for like you're traveling, or maybe you want to pin something for workouts, or maybe you want to pin something for different outfits that you saw that you like, makeup, hair, whatever it is, maybe you're planning a wedding, whatever you want to start saving, you could do so, but just make sure that your board is set secretly. That way it doesn't interfere with your actual business account. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions about the secret boards or anything else additional on Pinterest, make sure that you leave a comment below. And thank you guys for watching.